मैं इसके बाद मोहम्मद मसूद खान की खिदमत में गुजारिश करूँगा कि वो डाइस पर तशरीफ़ लाएँ और 14 अगस्त पर इज़हार ख्याल करें। शोबा हुफ़ाज़ इंग्लिश के तालिब इल्म मोहम्मद मसूद खान। सही है? सही है। छतर प्लेन के तलबा-ए किराम मौलाना मोहसिन साहब के तलबा-ए किराम यहाँ तशरीफ़ लाए हैं, हम उनका शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं।
All the respectable teachers and my dear friends and my class fellow, Assalamu alaikum and very good morning. न समझोगे तो मिट जाओगे ए हिंदुस्तान वालों, न समझोगे तो मिट जाओगे ए हिंदुस्तान वालों। तुम्हारी दास्तां तक न होगी दास्तानों में, नजर बुरी डाली अगर तुमने मेरे अर्ज़े पाक पर, नजर बुरी डाली अगर तुमने मेरे अर्ज़े पाक पर। मेरा वादा है कि दुश्मन तेरी हस्ती को मिटा देंगे। I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. My name is Masuood Khan. I am student of huffaz English. Today I am here to present a speech on Independence Day. Mr. President, freedom is not a small thing. This is God blessing and blessing. Decades of struggle are behind the freedom and liberty we enjoy today. Thanks to the efforts and struggles of these truly sincere leaders that we are free today. Respected sir, everyone, as we gather today, we have to think about the fact that we are not doing will and are not doing enough to protect of our freedom. Our motherland is surrounded by many problems. Mr. Audience, we must think about today and work for tomorrow. August 14 is no ordinary day. This day is calling on us to be reminded of our real responsibility on this land. My dear brothers, it is time for us to unite and work collectively and selflessly for the greater good of our communities, for peace, prosperity, justice, freedom, equality. Let's unite, work hard to change destiny of our country. My dear brothers, we need to work day and night to make this land a peaceful, prosperous and happy life. Inshallah, that is not far when we'll be victorious against of all these channels. खुदा करे कि मेरी अर्ज़े पाक पर उतरे, खुदा करे कि मेरी अर्ज़े पाक पर उतरे वो फसले गुल जिसे अंदेशा जवाल न हो। थैंक यू वेरी मच।